Okay, in the last video, I showed how to completely set this up. Now I'm going to show you how to use, once you know the setup. So remember when we said in the last video, so you might want to look at that, when you reverse the digits, the setup will be negative 9x plus 9y is equal to whatever the increase or decrease is. So we're going to do that now. When you reverse the digits in a certain two-digit number, you increase its value by 54. So negative 9x plus 9y is equal to 54. And then the sum of its digits, well, that's just the digits are x and y, is equal to 8. So now you just have a system of equations. So we're going to multiply this whole row by 9, both sides of the equal sign, and then I'm going to rewrite the setup. And since these are positive, I'm going to put this multiplication on top. So 9x plus 9y is equal to 9 times 8 is 72. And then this thing right here, negative 9x plus 9y is equal to 54. Now, because positive 9x and negative 9x, when you add, they cancel out, we'll use the addition model. So 9y plus 9y is 18y. And then 72 plus 54, well, 4 plus 2 is 6. 70 plus 50 is 120. Oh, goodness. I did not bring my oh, here. I do have a calculator. I could also do long division. 126 divided by 18 is 7. So when you divide both sides by 18, y is equal to 7. Now we're going to take this original, x plus y is equal to 8, and plug in the 7. X plus 7, well, easily you could see x is equal to 1. So our solution set, x is 1, y is 7. But importantly, 17 is the original, 71 is the new, and the increase when you go from 17 to 71, that increase is 54. All right, that's it.